Have you ever wondered how to become a chartered accountant in India? Chartered accountancy, or CA, is a prestigious profession that plays a vital role in shaping India's economy. With a blend of analytical skills, financial expertise, and ethical standards, chartered accountants are the backbone of any business, ensuring financial transparency and stability. The journey to becoming a chartered accountant in India is a journey of determination, perseverance, and, of course, a whole lot of number crunching. But don't let that intimidate you. Whether you're a high school graduate exploring career paths or an experienced professional seeking a career change, this is a journey you can embark on. In this video, we'll walk you through the process step by step, from meeting the eligibility criteria to registering for the CA Foundation course, from the intermediate course and articleship to the final course, and finally, the membership and its cost implications. By the end of this video, you will have a clear roadmap to begin your journey towards becoming a chartered accountant in India. First and foremost, understanding the eligibility criteria is crucial. So, let's dive right into the prerequisites needed to embark on the journey of becoming a chartered accountant in India. To begin with, you need to have a solid academic foundation. The minimum requirement is passing your 10th and 12th standard examinations from a recognized board. It doesn't matter what stream you've chosen in high school, be it science, commerce, or arts, as long as you've cleared your 10+2 examinations, you're on the right track. However, if you've completed your graduation or post-graduation, that works too, especially if your degree is in commerce. For commerce graduates or postgraduates, the minimum percentage required is 55%. For other graduates or postgraduates, the requirement is slightly higher at 60%. So, if you've got a degree tucked under your belt, that's a plus. What if you don't fall into either of these categories? Well, here's some good news. Even if you've not completed your graduation, you can still register for the CA course. You just need to have cleared the senior secondary examination under a recognized board. Now, you might be wondering whether there's an age limit to pursue this course. The answer is no. There's no upper age limit for enrollment. All you need is the determination and dedication to conquer this challenging yet rewarding path. It's also important to note that you don't need any specific work experience to get started. The Chartered Accountancy course is designed in such a way that it combines theoretical education with practical training, which is a prerequisite for membership. So, in essence, the eligibility criteria for becoming a chartered accountant in India are pretty straightforward. You need to be a 10+2 pass out or a graduate or postgraduate, preferably in commerce. There's no age limit and no work experience is required. Now that you know if you are eligible or not, let's move to the next step. The journey is long, but the rewards are worth it. So, gear up and let's delve deeper into the process. Once you've confirmed your eligibility, the next step is to register for the CA Foundation course. This is the starting point of your journey to becoming a chartered accountant in India. The CA Foundation course is an entry-level program designed to provide you with a basic understanding of the various aspects of the profession. Registering for this course is a straightforward process. You need to apply online through the ICAI, the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India's official website. The application window is typically open twice a year, so keep an eye out for the dates. The CA Foundation course comprises 4 papers, namely Principles and Practices of Accounting, Business Laws and Business Correspondence and Reporting, Business Mathematics, Logical Reasoning and Statistics, and Business Economics and Business and Commercial Knowledge. Each paper is of 100 marks and requires a minimum of 40 marks to pass. The examinations are held in May and November each year. The pattern is a blend of objective and subjective questions, which are meant to test both your theoretical understanding and practical application skills. It's important to note that you need to secure an aggregate of 50% in all 4 papers to pass the foundation course. Do remember, preparation is key. So, once you've registered, start studying as early as possible to give yourself the best chance at success. After successfully registering for the CA Foundation course, you're ready for the next step. After the foundation course, the journey continues to the intermediate course and the articleship. The intermediate course is a challenging step up from the foundation level and is divided into 2 groups. Each group comprises 4 subjects, making it a total of 8 subjects. In the first group, you delve into accounting, corporate and other laws, cost and management accounting, and taxation. The second group, on the other hand, offers advanced accounting, auditing and assurance, enterprise information systems and strategic management, and financial management and economics for finance. The exam pattern for this level is subjective and requires a deep understanding of the subjects. Each paper carries a maximum of 100 marks, and you're required to score 40% in each paper and 50% in aggregate to pass. But the intermediate course isn't just about studying. It's also about gaining practical experience through an articleship. This is where you put your knowledge to the test. It's a 3-year period of practical training under a practicing chartered accountant. This hands-on experience is invaluable as it provides you with a real-world perspective of the profession. During your articleship, you get to work across various fields such as auditing, taxation, accounting, and financial management. It's an opportunity to understand the intricacies of these fields, learn how to handle clients, and develop your professional skills. The importance of the articleship can't be overstated. It's a crucial phase of your journey to becoming a chartered accountant. It prepares you for the challenges of the profession, equipping you with the necessary skills and experience to thrive in a competitive landscape. Remember, the articleship isn't a mere formality, it's an integral part of your CA journey, and it requires your full commitment. You need to approach it with the same seriousness and dedication as your studies. Having completed the articleship, you're on the final leg of your journey to becoming a CA. This journey is demanding, but with perseverance, dedication, and the right guidance, you can conquer it and achieve your dream of becoming a chartered accountant. The final hurdle in your journey is the final course. Now that you've cleared your intermediate course and completed your articleship, it's time to face the final challenge, the final course. This is the moment where all your hard work will be tested to its limit, but with dedication and consistent study, you can conquer this too. Registering for the final course is straightforward. Once you've successfully completed your articleship, you can register for the course on the ICAI's official website. When registering, you need to choose whether you want to appear for both groups of exams at once or one group at a time. This decision is crucial as it directly influences your study plan and strategy. The final course is divided into 2 groups, each consisting of 4 subjects. The first group covers financial reporting, strategic financial management, advanced auditing and professional ethics, and corporate and economic laws. The second group includes strategic cost management and performance evaluation, elective paper, direct tax laws and international taxation, and indirect tax laws. The breadth of these subjects is vast, and each one requires a deep understanding. The exam pattern for the final course is similar to that of the intermediate course. Each paper is of 3 hours duration, and the passing mark is 40% in each paper and 50% in aggregate for each group. Remember, it's not just about passing. You should aim for a good score to increase your chances of finding a good job after qualifying. The final course is a test of your knowledge, application, and interpretation of complex financial scenarios. It's not about rote learning, but about understanding concepts and applying them in real-world situations. Dedication, consistent study, and a thorough understanding of the subjects are key to clearing this stage. This is the point where your dream of becoming a chartered accountant is almost within your reach. Your journey so far has prepared you for this, and with the right amount of effort and perseverance, you can overcome this final hurdle. After successfully passing the final course, your journey to becoming a CA is nearly complete. With the final course behind you, it's time to obtain your membership and understand the cost implications. Membership with the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, or ICAI, is the final frontier in your journey to becoming a chartered accountant. To start, you must apply for membership with ICAI, which involves a nominal fee. This fee is generally in the ballpark of a few thousand rupees, but it's a small price to pay for the doors it opens. Next, there's the cost of the exams themselves. Each level of the CA course carries an examination fee, The foundation course, intermediate course, and the final course all come with their separate fees. It's important to plan for these expenses from the get-go so there are no surprises down the line. Then there are the costs of study materials, coaching classes, and other resources that you might need along the way. These costs can add up, but they're crucial investments in your future. Remember, the journey of becoming a chartered accountant is not just an intellectual investment, but also a financial one. It's about balancing the cost of your education with the potential return on investment. The rewarding career that lies at the end of this path. Congratulations! You now know the steps to become a chartered accountant in India, including the cost. Your journey begins now.